Enlarged slow-motion Chinese knot tutorial. Yarn, 5-ply cotton. Hook, 3.0 millimeters. Use the chain stitch and slip stitch method to form a ring instead of a magic ring. This makes the starting round more secure. Hold the yarn with your little finger, bring it over your index finger, and press it down. Pull the yarn down to form a loop. Press the crossing point, insert the hook, wrap the yarn and pull through. Then tighten the tail below. The chain stitch start is now complete. Next, work chain stitches. Wrap the yarn and pull through the loop 1 chain stitch done. Beginners can place a stitch marker in the first chain stitch. Work a total of 8 chain stitches. After 8 stitches, work a slip stitch into the back loop of the first chain stitch. Wrap and pull through, then through the loop on the right. The starting round is complete. Now work inside this ring. Round 1. First, work 3 chain stitches, which count as the first double crochet. Place a stitch marker in the 3rd chain stitch. This is the first stitch. Then work double crochet into the ring. Wrap yarn, insert hook into the large ring. Place the tail here to weave in as you go. Wrap and pull up a loop. 3 loops on hook. Wrap and pull through the first 2 loops. Wrap and pull through the remaining 2 loops. 1 double crochet complete. Work 2 more double crochets. Together with the starting 3 chain stitches, this makes 4 double crochets. Then work 3 chain stitches. This completes the first pattern set. Repeat 3 more times. 4 double crochets, 3 chain stitches. Round 1 has 4 sets in total. For the second set, work 4 double crochets. Try to keep the height even. Then 3 chain stitches, 2 sets done. Complete the remaining 2 sets yourself. For the last set's 3 chain stitches, work only 2 chain stitches. Then replace the last chain stitch with a single crochet. Work directly into the first stitch. Wrap and pull up a loop. 2 loops on hook. Wrap and pull through both loops. 1 single crochet complete, which also joins the round. Splitting the stitches this way makes the next round easier to work. Next round will be worked into this space. Round 2. Work 3 chain stitches. Counts as first double crochet. Beginners should mark every round. Then work 1 chain stitch. Work a double crochet into the second double crochet stitch. 1 chain stitch, double crochet into the 3rd double crochet stitch. 1 chain stitch. Then into the 3 chain space, work 1 double crochet. Then 5 chain stitches, first set complete. Repeat 3 more times for a total of 4 sets. Second set, in the same chain space, work 1 double crochet. 1 chain stitch. Double crochet into the next double crochet. 1 chain stitch. Double crochet into the next double crochet. 1 chain stitch. Into the corner chain space, work 1 double crochet. Then 5 chain stitches, 2 sets done. Complete the remaining 2 sets yourself. For the last set's 5 chain stitches, split them. Work 2 chain stitches. Then replace the remaining 3 chain stitches with a double crochet. Work directly into the first stitch. This also joins the round. Splitting makes the next round easier because you'll be working into the corner chain space. Round 3. Chain 1. Then work a single crochet into the corner space. Mark the first stitch. Work another single crochet into the same corner space. In the next chain space, work 2 single crochets. Then work 6 chain stitches. Flip work. Slip stitch into the first single crochet. flip work back. Work 9 single crochets into the 6 chain space. After finishing, work 2 single crochets into the next chain space on the main body. Then 2 single crochets into the following chain space. Place a marker in the first single crochet here. Complete the remaining single crochet in the same spot. Then work 2 single crochets into the corner chain space. Then 6 chain stitches, flip. Slip stitch into the marked single crochet, the 4th single crochet back. Flip, back. Work 9 single crochets into the 6 chain space similar to the previous small loop. These 2 small loops are separated by 2 single crochets. Next, in the corner, work 2 single crochets. Then 9 chain stitches. Flip, slip, stitch into the same single crochet. Flip, back. Work 14 single crochets into the 9 chain space. Work to finish. After finishing, work 1 more single crochet into the same corner space. These 3 loops complete the first pattern group. Second group. In this corner space, work 2 single crochets. Then 2 single crochets into the next chain space. Then 6 chain stitches. Flip, slip stitch into the 4th single crochet back. Flip back. Work 9 single crochets into the 6 chain space. After finishing, work 2 single crochets into the next chain space on the body. Then 2 single crochets into the following chain space. In the corner, work 2 single crochets. Then 6 chain stitches. Flip, slip stitch back into the 4th single crochet. Flip back. Work 9 single crochets into the 6 chain space. After finishing, in the corner work 1 single crochet. Then 3 chain stitches. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same spot. The second pattern group is complete. Now repeat the first and second pattern groups. The first 2 loops of both groups are the same. The difference is that the first group's corner has a large loop, and the second group's corner has a small loop, 3 chain space. The third group repeats the first group's pattern, and the fourth group repeats the second group's pattern. Complete them yourself. After finishing, slip stitch to the first stitch, chain 1, and fasten off. To recap, the first group, 2 small loops plus 1 large loop, corresponds to the third group. The second group, with a 3 chain space in the corner, corresponds to the fourth group. Use a yarn needle to weave in the ends on the back side, about 6 to 7 stitches. Then trim excess. The starting tail was already woven in as you worked, so it can be trimmed directly. If the piece is slightly uneven, you can iron it flat. Next, make the cord. Start with a chain stitch. Work chain stitches to your desired length. After finishing, straighten the chain. It's okay if it curls. Slip stitch into the first chain stitch. Fasten off. Tie the 2 ends together to secure. Attach the cord to one of the 3 chain spaces on the main body. Insert the longer end through a smaller space on the opposite side. Pull tight. Weave the ends in on the back. Make a simple tassel. Wrap yarn around your hand about 20 times. Adjust as needed. This determines tassel length. Cut the yarn. Take another piece of yarn or a short chain and thread it through the center of the loops. Tie securely. Take another piece of yarn. Wrap it around the top of the tassel. 2 to 3 times and tie. Cut through the loops at the bottom. Trim the ends evenly. Attach the tassel to the bottom of the Chinese knot using the same method as the cord.